Hi students, this is your Ramesh sir from AR Academy GDK. Today's topic from chemistry about atomicity, valence electrons and valency. Okay, it is useful for class 9th and 10th students. Okay, let us come into the topic. First we will discuss about atomicity. What is atomicity? The number of atoms constituting a molecule is called atomicity. Another definition for atomicity, the number of atoms with which a molecule is made up of is called atomicity. Once again, the number of atoms with which a molecule is made up of is called atomicity. Some molecules are made up of one atom only. For example, argon is made up of from one atom only, so it is called monoatomic molecule. Helium also monoatomic, it is made up of one atom only. Sodium is made up of one atom only, molecule is made up of one atom, so monoatomic. Similarly, hydrogen, oxygen are diatomic molecules. Why? Because this hydrogen molecule is formula you see H2, it is made up of two hydrogens, so it is diatomic molecule. Its atomicity is 2. Argon atomicity 1, helium atomicity 1, sodium atomicity 1, but hydrogen atomicity 2, oxygen atomicity 2. Why? Because it is made up of 2 atoms. Ozone made up of 3 atoms, so triatomic molecule, so its atomicity is 3. Phosphorus, it is made up of 4 atoms, so it is tetraatomic, means its atomicity is 4. Similarly, sulfur atomicity is 8, octaatomic, it is made up of 8 atoms. Like this, what is atomicity? The number of atoms with which a molecule is made up is called atomicity. Understood, children? Now come to the point valency electrons. To understand valence electrons, I took one example, oxygen. Oxygen Z value atomic number is 8, means it is containing 8 electrons outside of the nucleus and 8 proton inside the nucleus. Outside of the shells, 8 electrons distribution you see. First shell K shell, N is called 1, 2 electrons distributed. Last shell L shell is distributed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 electrons. So its valence electrons is 6 you see here. And valency of this one is 2. Valency we will understand later. Valence electron means outermost shell electron present in an atom is called valence electrons. For this oxygen, outermost electrons are 6. So valence electrons are 6, children. Okay, we understood about the valence electrons of oxygen. Similarly, by distributing the electrons in each shell, we can understand the valency electrons. Now come to the point valency. Every element has a definite combining capacity. This combining capacity number is called valency. Combining capacity of element, you know 118 elements so far. So in that elements they are having different combining capacity with other elements while forming molecules or compounds. So you know 1 to 30 elements, in that I took 12. You see hydrogen, helium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, neon, sodium, magnesium, up to 12 Z values I took. And distribution of, that is electron configuration, distribution according to Bohr-Buire. KLMN, if you see hydrogen in K shell 1 electron, means one shell only there, it is only outermost shell, so valence electron 1, its valency is 1. And helium 2, its valence electrons 2, and its valency, as it is inert gas, it won't participate in the bonds and it won't give any 2 electrons. It is having already duplet stable configuration, so its valency combining capacity is 0. Lithium, if you take first shell 2, second shell 1, second shell is the last shell, L shell. Last shell outermost electrons, valence electrons 1, so its valency is 1. Beryllium 2, 2, its valence electrons 2. Here boron valence electron 3. Here carbon valence electron 4. Nitrogen electron configuration if you see 2, 5 valence electrons 5. Oxygen valence electron 6. Fluorine 2, 7 valence electron 7. Neon valence electron 8. and sodium valence electron 1, magnesium valence electron 2. So we understood the valence electron, outermost shell electrons, we took valence electrons. So from the valence electrons, this valency combining capacity for hydrogen 1, helium 0 as it is inert gas. Similarly, neon also 0. You see lithium 1, 1 and 1, 2 valence electrons 2, 3 valence electron 3, 4 valence electron 4, 5 valence electron 5, 6 valence electron 2, 7 valence electron 1, 8 valence electron 0. It is inert gas, so its combining capacity, that is valence, is 0. All inert gases combining capacity valence is 0, children. Remember, sodium, its outermost shell electron 1 and valence electron 1, its combining capacity on 1. Magnesium, if you take 2, 8, 2, valence electrons 2, valence electrons 2 and valence is 2. So to understand, we understood about the valence electron. Outermost shell electrons are called valence electrons. But you try to understand my technique to remember the valence electron line valency. You see, if 1 valence electrons are there, 1. 2 valence electrons there, duplet configuration, that is inert gas helium, its combining capacity is 0. For 3, it will try to lose 1 electrons. 1 valence electron having atom try to lose 1 electron. This 3 electrons having atom also try to lose 3. 4 electrons mean 4. It is a peculiar case about this about carbon. We will understand this about later in higher classes. But its valency, remember.